This hike to Crypt Lake was one of the most beautiful, fun, and challenging hikes I have ever done. It is a 10.8 mile round-trip hike with over 2,000 feet elevation gain. To get to the trailhead, we take a 15-minute ferry across Upper Waterton Lake.
Vessel that you're on is the Miss Waterton. It's inspected annually. She's licensed to carry 125 adult passengers.
The hike begins with a gradual climb through shaded forests. Shortly we come to a runoff stream where Eric stores a couple of beers under some rocks in the cold water for us to have on our way back down. We climb up and up over the rocks and around the switchbacks, and now we can see the tunnel and the beginning of the most treacherous part of the hike. Okay, I take a deep breath and traverse the narrow ledge leading up to the tunnel.
Now I'm waiting. Cool ladder. It's all good. Notice the Milwaukee Serious Handyman gloves. So if you want to undo your straps, your waist and your sternum strap, so it's easy to swing your pack around in front of you. So your poles will hit with you leaning over. Yeah, just carry it in front of you using that hoop. Or a side strap. There you go. This is cool. Yeah, I keep stepping on my beer spray holder.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'll get below you. Put your pack back on right here. Put yours on first. We don't have much room here.
The tunnel exits to a vertical ledge that looks down 600 feet to the valley floor. This ledge across the mountainside was narrow and a long way down.
Okay, thank you. I was hurrying.
No, don't hurry. Don't hurry. Just take your time.
Okay, thank you. I said, they have to wait for the children and the old lady. It's okay. I'm almost 70. I'm 1 year from 70.
Good for you.
I know, right?
That is awesome.
Hey, you go first. I'm staying back here to catch it.
There is a steel cable bolted into the side of the cliff where you traverse the narrow ledge about 200 yards. Whew, I can feel my heart is beating wildly as they scramble on the ledge, but I just concentrate on where I am putting my feet and my hands.
Thumbs up. That camera's still good.
Oh, okay. Got to a safe spot now. We can take a look at the view. This was the end of June, and we were told that the snowmelt was a couple weeks late this year, and there was still a lot of snow left on the trail. Part of the snow has been in the sun and was slipperier and steeper than it looks.
Deceiving. We're going through there.
I progressed slowly across the snowfields, only falling once.
I was going to turn around and say, I think the worst is over now. Well, that's what I'll get for being a smart aleck.
We didn't set any speed records, thanks to me, but I was very proud to have arrived. There was lots of ice still on the lake and the view was incredible. But we didn't have a lot of time to hang out. We still had to go back down the way we came and get to the ferry by 5:30. Eric's putting on his micro spikes for on the way down. I don't have any because they didn't have my size. Never needed them before. The weather was perfect the entire day, and we were lucky because the day before the winds were fierce, and I would not have liked that. The beers were waiting for us in the icy cold stream, and I can say we earned our beer. We did make the 5:30 ferry, but I didn't have any time to get any knitting out on this hike.